Welcome you all to Krishnavik channel. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to take backup files to another system through the method of rsync, and also learn how to create passwordless SSH connection. I am using two Linux systems for this practical. This is my system 1, host name, rhel8.example.com. Let's check the IP of this system. OK. This is my system 2, hostname, server0.example.com. Let's check the IP of this system. OK. Now, let's check the connectivity between both systems. Network connection between both systems working perfectly. Let's check the Rsync package is installed or not. In the system 1, by default it is a pre-installed package. Otherwise you can install it through the repository of yum or dnf. Now, I am going to create a directory to perform this practical. Also you can choose any existing directory. Get into the directory and create several files for testing purpose. Files have been created successfully. This is system 2, here I am going to create a target directory where backup will be stored, or you can choose any other directory. Get into the directory. At present my directory is empty. Now, in the system 1, type the following command to perform the backup task. Type the root password of system 2 for SSH confirmation. Backup task has been completed. Let's check it on the system 2. Perfect, backup data has been stored here successfully. The beauty of this backup is that, rather than copy all files blindly, it will synchronize backup the directory, and smartly copy only new, modified or updated files. Our work will be easier and faster if we use passwordless login through SSH. Let's create it. This is our system 1. Type the following SSH keygen command. Press enter key thrice. Now, type the following command with the IP of system 2 which we have chosen here for keyless SSH access. Type here the root password of system 2 for one last time. OK, done. Let's test. Create a new file named abc.txt. OK, run the rsync backup command once again. Perfect, command has been executed successfully without prompt asking any password. If you have learned something from this video, then you must click the like button. Thanks for watching.